Hello and welcome to Storeino. Today we will see how we can add reviews to our store directly from our dashboard. First of all, go and log into your store and then click on marketing. You will see a tab called reviews, click on it. Then you will see that I don't have no reviews in my store. We're gonna add a new review. Click on add new and it's really easy to set up or to add a review. First of all, choose the product you want to add a review for. And after that, click on confirm. As you see now, the product has been added. After that, either you choose one of your customers like this, or put a name in the last name for a new customer. For example, let's see this new customer right here. After that, the rating, I'm gonna choose 5 stars. Then the content, just for test purposes. Then you can add a picture for this customer. For example, I'm gonna add this logo right here. And don't forget to check this publish and click on submit. Now we have been added a review. So let's go and see it. Click on show store. After that, click on the product that you have been added a review for. As you see, the review has been now showing. And if you go down and click on reviews, you will see the name that we have been added and the date, then the stars and the contact, and of course the picture that we have added for this product. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you soon in other tutorials.